Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Today's topic is like we have three subtopics. One is record type. Then we have page layouts and then how they are linked like page layout assignment to record type. We have already seen and aware about page layout. It's out of MVC. It's a view. Victo. Before we cover them, let me tell you the requirement, what my requirement is. And then with the help of that requirement, we'll be covering subtopics. My requirement is on patient. I have status, source and membership, ID and name. My first requirement is I have to like currently. Before that, very quickly, let me open patient detail. That will give you a better idea. Let's open patient detail tab. Currently, when I am trying to click on new, let's click on new here. It is directly opening a page where name, member ID and status is there. My requirement is when I click on new, it should give me a screen with drop-down marketing and non-marketing as two values in that drop-down. If I select marketing from that drop-down and click on next, it should show me the screen with name, status and membership. ID no source. If I click on non-marketing, if I select non-marketing in that intermediate screen and then I click on next, then I should see a screen with all four fields. This is my requirement. Currently, I am directly getting a screen like this, but I want the intermediate screen. When I click on new button, I want the intermediate screen. If I select marketing in that drop down and select next, it should show me only three fields. If I select non-marketing, it should show me all four fields. It's almost like, filtering the fields. It's like I want users to have two options, like they can create patient with providing value for name, status, and membership ID, or they can create a patient record by providing value of all four parameters. Not every record needs to have all the fields exactly. How to do that? What would be my approach? Here we have two views, like one view where name, status and membership ID is there, one where all four fields are there like we need to view. View is nothing but page layout in Salesforce. I need to be left. On marketing, I would have visual fields name, membership ID, status, no source. On non-marketing, I need name, membership ID, status. I need source as well. Now I need to use, then I need to record types. the intermediate screen that I'm telling you that we need to see. That screen will come with the help of record type. That drop down that I'm asking that will be created with the help of record type. I will be creating to record type to marketing record type, non-marketing record type. And finally, I will assign marketing layout to marketing record type and vice versa. Basically, we need to be left for two views. Because the view in one view I need 3 fields. In another view I need 4 fields. Then I will be creating 2 record types. Why to create record type? For that intermediate screen that will have a drop-down marketing, record type and non-marketing. When I select marketing, I should see marketing view. I need to assign marketing layout to marketing record type and vice versa. Page layouts will be assigned to record type and record type will be displayed in the intermediate screen. Any issues still now in understanding? I get it. How to do that? Let's very quickly. One layout. We already have one more layout we need to create. One layout is a default layout. Click on Setup here. Object Manager Patient Detail. Here we have page layout and here have lightning record pages, or here we have page layouts. One layout is already there, patient detail layout. And this layout has 3 fields: name, membership, ID and state. But the 4th field that we need source that we have created yet. Very quickly, let me create that source field. The first step would be to create a source field from our project. We have source as well as a field. And that would be a drop down. Drop down our pick list in Salesforce. Name it as source. And say we have probable sources like from virtual sources. Patient can come, it can be newspaper, it can be referral, it can be direct, it can be social media. Let's for now go with these values. Next and say now, let's quickly go to page layouts. This page layout is already there. Let's edit this layout. And let's see which all fields we have on this layout. We have all 4 on this. That means it is nothing non-marketing. I can term it as non-marketing. Let's term it as non-marketing. Let's click on edit. And to avoid any confusion, click on layout properties and mark it as non-marketing just for our understanding. Non-marketing layout. And click on save. Now create a new layout that will act as marketing layout, clone it from non-marketing and give name as marketing layout. It will be cloned from non-marketing and non-marketing for fields. Where was that option? The clone. Just a moment. Let me delete this. And let's repeat that step again. Just in 1 minute. Click on New. Here we have existing page layout. We need to select from which the new layout will be cloned. And I am giving it a name as Marketing Layout. Click on Save. Now this will be cloned from non-marketing, but I am giving name as Marketing and Marketing. I don't need source. Just remove it from here. Click on this icon. Name, membership ID and style. And click on Save. Now we have two views or two-page layout. One is marketing, one is non-marketing. Now next step, I need to create two record types. One is marketing record type. Second is non-marketing record type. Click on New. Give some meaningful name, marketing record type. Here we have the security screen the way we had for Object Field Tab application. I am creating this record type. I can show this to all the profiles. Or I can have an arrangement where one user is able to see that record type and second is not able to see that record type. For now, let's make it visible for all the profile and click on Next. Now they are asking which layout or which view we need to show to this record type. To marketing record type, which layout we need to assign. I am creating marketing record type. Let marketing record type which layout I need to open marketing layout. Marketing layout. Marketing layout. Click on Save. Marketing record type is created. And again click on record type. Let's create second record type. That is non-marketing record type. Let's click on Next. This step is nothing but assignment of page layout to record type. This time I am creating non-marketing record type. Which layout I would be assigning to non-marketing record? Type non-marketing layout. Click on Save. Now when you are creating a record, you can choose which record type it is and based on that it fills exactly. Let's click on New. We are getting our intermediate screens, marketing record type or non-marketing record type, and to this record type we have assigned a marketing layout. To this one we have assigned non-marketing. Accordingly, it will show us the fields. Let's select marketing record type. Click Next. Only 3 fields are there. Click on Cancel. Select non-marketing. Based on the requirement, we first create page layouts, different page layouts with all the fields, and then we assign the pages to record types. Exactly. There are many times there are multiple teams in an organization and it is not necessary that all the teams need to populate same fields. There is like one field is not, I would say, relevant for a particular team. Why to force them to populate that there is a requirement from clients that let's give us like 3 to 4 options for different teams. That one team is trying to create a record. They are fulfilling what? Populating different set of fields. Second team is populating different set of fields. That is good. We always create page layouts and assign those page layouts to record type. Now, from this originates our second requirement. Let me show you very quickly. Let me open non-marketing report type. In the source, I have 4 options: newspaper, referral direct, social media. My next requirement is, let's remove this. My next requirement is then when I'm selecting marketing record type, I should see all 4 fields. But source with direct and referral values only. I don't need other 2 drop-down values, which are social media and newspaper. And when I'm selecting non-marketing again, I need to see all 4 fields. But source with newspaper and not referral, it's newspaper and social media. This is my requirement. I need same set of fields, but in one record type, source drop-down is showing me different values. In second record type, source drop-down is showing me different values. Requirement. No, I mean, in this scenario, the marketing record type will also have the field source, but with only 2 values. That's what it is, 2 values. And in the non-marketing, again same field will be there, but other 2 values. Oh, now we are going to. How do I explain? Just, we are going to differentiate based on the field. There can be 2 possibilities. One can be we have different set of fields on different layouts. Second can be same field but with different drop-down values. Same source field is showing different drop-down values on different base layouts. How to deal with that? Let's just before that on both the layouts, make sure that we have all the fields. Let's quickly go to Edit Object. This time requirement is a bit different. Go to the layout. On marketing layout, we had 3 fields. We have to add the source also. We have to add the source. Click on Save. But now quickly verify whether my requirement is getting fulfilled. Let's quickly verify. It will not. No, it will have all the 4 values. It will have all the 4 values in the marketing. We have all 4 values. And in the non-marketing again, I have all 4. This is not my requirement. Click on Edit Object. This also, we deal with record type only. Go to Report Type. Click on Marketing Record Type first. Search for the pick list where we need to make changes. In this case, we have source where we need different drop-down values. Click Edit. For marketing, I need to see direct and referral. Remove newspaper and social media. And referral and direct are there. Click Selected. Click Save. And let's repeat the same for non-marketing. Click on Non-marketing. For non-marketing, I need to see newspaper and social media. Newspaper and social media are selected. Click on Save. From the record type itself, we control drop-down values. Let's refresh this screen. And let's verify this. There can be a scenario where business team says that same field is relevant for both teams, but with different drop-down values. In that scenario, like we go with same set of fields, but with different drop-down values. Go with marketing first. There is only referral and direct. If I cancel this non-marketing, it has only newspaper and social media. That is the two main utility that we get from record type. First one, record type enable us to show different set of fields on different page layout. Second, record type help us to show different drop-down values of a same field on different views. Field is same, but with different drop-down values on different layout. On marketing, it is showing me other values. On non-marketing, it is showing me other values. Any issues, Anita, till now? Sumit? Like that was all about the day. Just summarize like what all things we have covered. First, we started with record type. We started with page layout. Page layout is nothing but view. View is nothing but from MVC its page layout. I need to create two views, one with all 4 fields, one with 3 fields. I had marketing and non-marketing. Yes, then I created two record types, marketing, and I assigned marketing layout to marketing record type, non-marketing layout to non-marketing record type. That was our first requirement in the different. This time I need to show all 4 fields, but with one field with different drop-down values. That also we handled with the help of the core type. In the marketing record type, we show 2 drop-down values, and in non-marketing, we show other 2 drop-down values. That is how we control the visibility or show different set of fields or same fields with different drop-down values on a particular layout. That is the utility of record type. Any issues? I know this time, this I understand. Just one, random question in real life scenarios projects. Typically, on average, maybe how many fields will a record have? Mostly like in a live project, you would have like anywhere from 25, 30, 35, like at least that much amount of fields would be there on a particular object. Basically, all 25 or 30 are not relevant for a particular team. Basically, there we have very large importance of record type. We get that for this team. If we are creating a patient record for a marketing team, let's show them only these 12 fields. And on top of that, out of those 12, like in on 2 layouts, like a particular field is common. That common field should show different drop-down values. That also can be a requirement. This with the help of the guide. And one more thing, Smith. Let's say there are 30 fields. Now we want to create a layout with just 10 fields. Like how you did here, you cloned the layout and then you deleted one field. Is that exactly how we'll do? We'll clone and then remove the 20 fields. Exactly. That default layout will have all the fields. As per our requirement, we have to remove the unwanted field from the page. By default, all the fields will be on layout. That's how. That is the only way to do it. There is already a default layout. Later, whatever layout is required, we will edit that particular default layout and rename it, we'll clone it and then edit based on the requirement. Exactly. We need to clone it from our layout. Then only we can create a second layout. We'll then add or remove. We can also add. We can add a new field. We can add, we can remove, we can do, we can change the name. In the first layout, I changed the name to. From the layout properties, I change the name. We can change the name, we can remove the field, we can add the field. In the history tracking, we added one rated list. Those are things we can change on layout. And on average, you know how many records will be there. Is it different for every project? Like not more than 4 or 5, I would say largely like. In different projects we have seen, say 3 type of record, type 4 or 5, not more than that commonly, that's very rare. I'm asking about, you know the amount of data, the number of records in a data, data like in, I would say in, like I would say 1 lakh or like 10, like in the amount of that. Data sets are very huge. But the record types will only be few. There'll not be like too many record types. It's very highly unlikely like we have 10 or 20 record types, because then there are like linked functionalities with record type. We need to maintain them as well. Going forward, we'll see. They normally keep it at like very low, like 3, 4, 5, not more than that. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.